we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this member of the BTS K-pop group band, also known as Agust D. How do you say it? In Korean, this is usually said as Suga, Suga, with more of a K sound, but of course in English it is normally said as Suga, Suga, and this hard G or a K sound are rather close. In South Korean it is a bit more of a K sound, Suga, Suga, but it's fine in English to say it as Suga, Suga. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting BTS names and songs names in particular whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.